everybody, I'm Chantel with Telly's Talk and Chalk. Just give me a minute. I'll be right back. We did the one thing that we always forget to do, or didn't do the thing we always forget to do, and I didn't bring my iPad. So, when you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from, like and follow the business page, check out my VIP group, Telly's Talk and Chalk, VIP. You will also want to check out my Instagram and my YouTube at Telly's Talk and Chalk. That is where you will see more content. If you like what you see, please follow me on all platforms. If you want to see more of my finished pieces, check out tellystalkandchalk.ca. That is where I put most of the pieces that I have. Sorry, my wheels are brand new and they're making as much noise as they possibly can. If you can hear them, I'm sorry. Oh jeez. Oh, we got police in the background. We got all the things. Oh goodness. Me going live and I've stirred up a whole bunch of stuff going on. Alright. So again, if you are on, say hello. If you are on the replay, hashtag replay, and let me know when you've seen this. I would love to know when my viewers are seeing my stuff. So please do that. So here we have a craft we did a long time ago. It is on our pillar. What is this called? It's pillar, but there's another part to that name. But anyway, they come apart, but they are supposed to go together. They come together. So we're just going to put that away for now, because we don't really need it. We are going to put this on there for the new design. It is Look for Miracles. I'm going to do the Look For in white, and then I'm going to do Miracles in our tulip and our couture teal. I'm going to do a hot mess technique because we haven't done that one in a while. Oh, the only other thing that I forgot to grab was my water spray. Where is it? Oh no, I'm clearly not as ready for this as I thought I was. Where's my... Oh, over here. Alright. Thankfully, my place is not that big, so I don't have to go too far to get everything I need. I'm just sounding really bad with my wheels. I am sorry. So I'm just going to let that soak for a second. Because this has been on here for a long time. It is paste and it is water soluble, but it does dry really good on our surfaces. So you want to let it give it time, and then these are miracle workers. These are our board erasers. They work on our boards and actually our transfers as well. They really clean up everything really well. I love them so much. And trust me, if they didn't work, I wouldn't sell them. And I wouldn't promote them. Because so many times I've seen like the best on TV or the as seen on TV, whatever it's called. And you're like, oh, they work like miracles. And then you find out when you go to do anything with them, once you buy them, that they're not that great. These were the opposite for me. I couldn't believe it. I had one of my fellow chalkers promoting them, and I was like, are they really as good as they seem? And they were like, yes, absolutely. So, we're just going to wipe that up. And we're going to throw the other piece on the ground. Because I'm moving everything around, and that was round, so it just decided to fall. what I just realized is I haven't shared this out anywhere, so I will do that after. So I will get more of the replay people than I will get anywhere else. Hello, everybody. I see some people jumping on with me live. That's cool. How are you doing today? So, as much as we had on here earlier, it is now all cleaned off. Shading or shadowing is gone. So now we are going to, yeah, I'm missing one more thing. You realize that too? I'm always missing something. I don't know what it is. Every time I do something. So this is a brand new one that I haven't used yet. So we are going to fuzz. Now I suggest fuzzing multiple times when you're doing these anyway. But when they're brand new, you definitely want to. Because these are reusable 8 to 12 times. They are super, super sticky. Watch, listen. You can hear the pulling up the lint off of this piece of fabric. So you want to do this about 4 or 5 times at least, depending on how sticky it starts. They all are different stickiness, I find sometimes, depending on what they are on. Just do it a couple of times. Make sure you get a bit of the lint. And that also helps that when you pull it up, it doesn't pull all of the... If you were to do this in layers, it doesn't pull the first layer up. Although we are only doing one layer on this. Okay, so we want to make sure that there's no bubbles. Hey everybody, I see more people jumping on. How are you doing today? Hopefully soon I'll have more so that I can show you more. And that's all I have. I'm gonna actually put this on here first. I'm gonna show you how it goes on here. So this little part has a little peg that you go and you put it on. So I'm gonna put it in here like this. Hopefully it's somewhat matched up on here. Oh, nope. I did what I did last time. Put it on upside down. So just pretend that's upside right. I didn't look. But that is how I have it right now. We're going to have to do something on it next time and flip it over. That is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed. Do as I say, not as I do. Look for where you need the pen. It'll help you. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to... Oh no, we got a double meeting tomorrow. I'm not going to be able to go live tomorrow. Okay, I will see you on Friday.
No.
Not even on Friday?
Yes, sorry. I'm sorry, I'm a weekend myself.
I will see you on Friday. Bye, guys.